Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I want to tell you another story about Anna. Last time, Anna met her new neighbor, Daniel. He had just moved into the building. Anna helped him carry some boxes. They talked for a few minutes. Daniel seemed friendly. Anna thought he was a nice person. Today, something interesting happens. It is Saturday morning. Anna wakes up feeling relaxed. The weekend is finally here. Sunshine comes through her window. The sky is bright blue. It is a beautiful day. Anna gets out of bed. She stretches her arms. Then she walks to the kitchen. She makes a cup of coffee. As she drinks her coffee, she thinks about her plans. She wants to visit her favorite cafe. She also wants to read a book. It sounds like a perfect weekend morning. After breakfast, Anna gets ready. She puts on a comfortable sweater. She takes her bag. Then she leaves her apartment. As she walks down the hallway, she sees someone. It is Daniel. Daniel is locking his door. When he sees Anna, he smiles. "Good morning, Anna." "Good morning, Daniel. How are you today?" "I'm good, thank you." Daniel smiles. "I'm glad to hear that." For a moment, they stand and talk. Then Daniel says something unexpected. "I'm going to a cafe nearby." Anna smiles. "Really? I was planning to visit a cafe too." Daniel laughs. "What a coincidence." Then he asks, "Would you like to join me?" Anna is a little surprised, but she feels comfortable talking to Daniel. "Sure," she says. "That sounds nice." A few minutes later, they leave the building together. The weather is perfect. The air feels fresh. People are walking along the street. Some people are shopping. Others are enjoying the sunshine. Soon, they arrive at a small cafe. The cafe looks warm and welcoming. Soft music is playing inside. The smell of coffee fills the room. Anna likes it immediately. They find a table near the window. Daniel orders a coffee. Anna orders a cappuccino. Then they sit down and begin talking. At first, the conversation is simple. They talk about the weather. They talk about the neighborhood. They talk about their apartment building. Soon, they begin learning more about each other. Anna asks Daniel about his job. Daniel explains that he works for a software company. He recently moved to the city because of his new job. Anna tells him about her work as a graphic designer. Daniel thinks her job sounds interesting. "It must be fun to create new designs every day," he says. Anna smiles. "Sometimes it is difficult, but I enjoy it." Daniel nods. "I can understand that." After a while, Anna notices something. Daniel's fingers move across the table as if he is playing music. She remembers the guitar in his apartment. "Do you still play guitar often?" she asks. Daniel's face lights up. "Yes, almost every day. I love music." "What kind of music do you play?" Anna asks. Daniel smiles. "A little bit of everything. I enjoy playing soft music after work. Sometimes it helps me relax." Anna thinks that sounds wonderful. Music is one of Daniel's favorite hobbies. Daniel asks Anna about her hobbies. Anna thinks for a moment. "I enjoy reading books. I also enjoy photography. Sometimes I take photos in parks or around the city." Daniel smiles. "That's interesting. I would love to see your photos someday." Anna laughs. "Maybe one day." Their conversation continues. The time passes quickly. They talk about movies. They talk about books. They talk about travel. They talk about their favorite foods. The more they talk, the more comfortable they feel. Soon, they are laughing together. Anna realizes she is having a very good time. Daniel is easy to talk to. He listens carefully. He asks thoughtful questions. He seems kind and friendly. After an hour, they finish their drinks. Neither of them notices how much time has passed. Daniel looks at his watch. Wow, he says. Time goes by quickly. Anna laughs. Yes, it does. They leave the cafe together. Outside, the sunshine is still bright. The city feels alive. People are enjoying the beautiful weekend. As they walk back toward their building, Daniel smiles. I'm glad we had coffee together. Anna smiles too. Me too. It was fun. When they reach the building entrance, Daniel stops. Maybe we can do this again sometime. Anna nods. I would like that. Then they say goodbye. Anna walks to her apartment. She sits near the window and thinks about her morning. She enjoyed the coffee. She enjoyed the conversation. She enjoyed learning about Daniel. Most of all, she enjoyed making a new friend. Sometimes friendships begin in unexpected ways. A simple hello, a little help, a cup of coffee. Anna smiles. Perhaps this is only the beginning of a new friendship. And perhaps many more interesting days are waiting ahead. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.